Do you want to renovate your home with some stylish wood furniture and wood decor pieces? In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 85 stunning wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can consider copying. Wood has been a fundamental material in home decor for centuries. Its timeless appeal, versatility, and natural beauty make it a favorite choice among homeowners and designers alike. Whether used in furniture, flooring, wall treatments, or decorative accents, wood brings warmth, character, and a sense of nature into living spaces. One of the most compelling reasons to use wood in home decor is its natural beauty. Each piece of wood is unique, featuring distinct grains, colors, and textures. This individuality allows homeowners to create spaces that reflect their personal style and the character of their homes. Wood adds warmth to any space, creating an inviting atmosphere. The organic texture of wood contrasts beautifully with smoother materials like metal and glass, adding depth and interest to interior design. Whether it's a rustic oak dining table or a sleek walnut bookshelf, wood can enhance the overall aesthetic of a room. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish contemporary wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can copy to renovate your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for various design styles, from traditional to contemporary. It can be stained, painted, or left in its natural state, allowing homeowners to customize their decor to suit their tastes. Whether you prefer a minimalist Scandinavian look or a cozy farmhouse vibe, wood can seamlessly integrate into your design vision. Wood is a durable material that can withstand the test of time. When properly cared for, wooden furniture and decor can last for decades, making it a worthwhile investment. High-quality hardwoods, such as oak, maple, and cherry, are particularly known for their strength and resilience. Wooden flooring and wall treatments can dramatically change the look and feel of a room. Hardwood floors provide a timeless elegance, while wood paneling can add warmth and coziness. These installations can serve as a stunning backdrop for furniture and decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the space. Unlike some materials that may wear out or become outdated, wood tends to age gracefully. It develops a patina over time, adding character and charm to furniture and decor. Many people appreciate the look of aged wood, as it tells a story and contributes to the overall aesthetic of the space. Wood is a popular choice for various types of furniture, including tables, chairs, beds, and cabinets. Its versatility allows for a wide range of styles, from sleek modern designs to ornate traditional pieces. Homeowners can find wooden furniture that fits their specific needs, while enhancing the overall aesthetic of their spaces. Another advantage of wood is its repairability. Scratches, dents, and other imperfections can often be sanded out or refinished, allowing wooden items to maintain their beauty over time. This is in stark contrast to materials like plastic or laminate, which may not be repairable once damaged. Using natural wood in home decor can contribute to better indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials that may release harmful volatile organic compounds, wood is a natural product that does not emit harmful chemicals. This can create a healthier living environment, particularly for those with allergies or sensitivities. Wood has the ability to absorb and release moisture, helping to regulate indoor humidity levels. This natural property can contribute to a more comfortable living environment, reducing the likelihood of mold growth and maintaining optimal indoor conditions. Proper humidity levels can also benefit respiratory health and overall well-being. Incorporating wood into home decor aligns with the principles of biophilic design, which emphasizes the connection between humans and nature. Surrounding ourselves with natural materials like wood can enhance our psychological and emotional well-being, reducing stress, and promoting relaxation. This connection to nature can lead to improved mood and overall mental health. Wood is a renewable resource when sourced responsibly. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that trees are harvested in a way that protects ecosystems and promotes regrowth. By choosing wood products certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, homeowners can support sustainable practices and contribute to environmental conservation. In addition to furniture, wood can be used in a variety of decorative accents. Wooden shelves, picture frames, wall art, and decorative bowls can add warmth and texture to any room. These accents can be easily swapped out or rearranged, allowing homeowners to refresh their decor seasonally or as trends change. Trees play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as they grow. Using wood in home decor helps to store this carbon, reducing the overall carbon footprint. By opting for wooden furniture and decor, homeowners can contribute to climate change mitigation efforts. Unlike synthetic materials that can take centuries to decompose, wood is biodegradable. When wooden items reach the end of their life cycle, they can be composted or repurposed, returning to the earth in a natural way. This environmentally friendly aspect of wood makes it a responsible choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Wood has natural sound-absorbing properties, making it an excellent choice for creating quieter living environments. Wooden floors, walls, and ceilings can help reduce echo and noise, contributing to a more peaceful atmosphere in the home. This is particularly beneficial in open-concept spaces or homes located in busy areas. The acoustic benefits of wood can also enhance overall comfort in the home. A quieter environment can lead to reduced stress and improved concentration, making wood an ideal choice for home offices, reading nooks, or other spaces designed for relaxation and focus. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish contemporary wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can copy to renovate your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.